Hello everyone, my name is Rich in Stocks and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to explain exactly how to buy PooCoins on the PooCoin app. So if you've probably heard of things like Safemoon, Safe Mars, there's a lot of these meme coins going on around, like especially Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, which is more of a popular PooCoin. But I'm going to show you how to buy these before they even get listed onto an exchange like Binance or whatever exchange you would use them on. But I'm going to show you how to buy them when they're very, very, very cheap. This is not financial advice. This is basically like educated gambling. So do this at your own risk. But I'm going to show you exactly how to do everything in this video. So let's get right into it. So guys, I'm gonna actually start to explain to you guys exactly what a PooCoin is. So if you go over to CoinMarketCap right here, it'll bring up every single cryptocurrency that is basically almost in every single cryptocurrency that's in the world. This is a fantastic website for any crypto investor. You can just see everything about every coin that's going on. It's amazing. I use this website every day, but as soon as you open up this website here, the very, very front page, you'll see biggest gainers, right? Look at this one, up 562% today. So let's click on more. And you'll see that this coin today, it's actually up 750%. So this one's called Flokinomics. You've probably never heard of this in your life. But let's say you wanted to buy Flokinomics. Let's say you wanted to buy this yesterday. Today you'd be up 750%, which is insane. Look at this graph, right? So let's say you wanted to buy this, right? All you would have to do is click on, so you see contracts right here. You would click copy to address. And you go over to a website called PooCoin. So I'm gonna have both these links in the description for CoinMarketCap and for PooCoin. But to connect your wallet here, you just click on connect at the top right, do wallet connect, and then you can open up your phone. I'll screen record this so I can show you guys what's going on. So I use an app called Trust Wallet, and it's probably one of the best apps to actually buy and sell some of these more like sketchy cryptocurrencies. So you can see I actually have quite a few in here. The one I bought today was Dynamex. And it's up 89% today, so that's fantastic. I put in about $4 yesterday, and it's worth almost about 11, so that's fantastic. But if you were to link your wallet to PooCoin, you go over to settings and click on wallet connect, and then hover this over your QR code on the screen and click connect, and boom, you'll see right here on my computer it just connected. So now what we can do is, so you can see already all the little PooCoins that I own in here. So Altura, not really a PooCoin in my opinion, it's really underrated. CryptoBlade's King token I think has a good potential. Dynamex I told you about today. I'm not going to go into deep on every cryptocurrency that I own, but now that I've copied this contract, right, you just enter it right here, paste it in. It'll say Flokinomics. Some of them won't be on here, and that's just, might have to go on PancakeSwap, which is a whole nother video I can go into about. But you can see the chart on here. You can see it's up quite a bit today. And you can actually see all the buyers and sellers, which is really, really cool. So you can see this person just sold 3.7 million Flokin for $127. And you can actually filter by the buyers and sellers. So this guy just bought almost $70,000 worth. Wow. And sellers, this guy sold $32,000 worth, which is crazy, right? And let's go to another coin. Let's go to Doge Swap, right? This one's up 191% today. Look at this gain, right? Scroll past it. Contracts. Make sure you click. So if it says Ethereum, it should show up on here. Oh yeah. So sometimes you'll see this. You'll see supported LP token does not exist for this token. Create one on PancakeSwap. That's still a little too much for me. If it says that, I would just go on to the next one unless you're really into it. Then you can probably search and do more research on exactly how to do that. But let's go back here to Flokinomics. Let's say you wanted to buy this coin, right? Copy the address, go back to the page, paste it in. Let's say you wanted to buy this coin, right? You need to make sure you have BNB in your wallet first. So if I go back over here to PooCoin, you see BNB. I have about $73 of BNB sitting in here. You need BNB to buy this. It needs to be Smart Chain BNB. I made videos on exactly how to do that through Binance previously. I'll also have a Binance link in the description below if you want to create a Binance account and buy BNB. Binance and Trust Wallet are actually linked together. They work together, so it's not like you're sending it to some sketchy crypto wallet. Binance and Trust Wallet work together, which is why I like that combo so much. But let's go back to Flokinomics. Let's say you wanted to buy this coin, right? You would just click trade at the top right. And let's say you wanted to put in, I don't know, $5 or $6. So I'll do 0.01 BNB. I'm not actually going to buy this right now, but this is just an example. So you can see from BNB to Flokin, Make sure this is set to auto slippage. Let's do auto slippage, and then swap. And it'll open up on PooCoin actually. Or not on PooCoin, on your Trust wallet. And you can see right here, I'll have it on the screen. It would say max total would be $8.86. So it basically, with the network fee, so I'm putting in $5.36 of BNB. The network fee is $3.49, so it comes out to a total of $8.86. And if I were to click approve on here, I would have it in my PooCoin right here, and I would own this coin. Now, if you wanted to, let's say you wanted to sell this coin, you would just click this arrow, and it would go from Floken to BNB. You click max, and boom, you could swap it over to BNB. Now let's say you buy this coin. Let's say you buy any PooCoin out there that you have your eyes on. You want to buy it. Let's say you bought Floken right here. Let's say you bought it. I'm going to go over to my Trust wallet. I'm going to disconnect my wallet here. And you're on your wallet screen. You want to be able to see your Floken on your Trust wallet. You don't want to have to log into PooCoin to see your Floken. All you have to do is go to the top right and click the little buttons there. I don't know what you'd call them. And then paste the address in here. So I'm actually going to go grab it from CoinMarketCap. You actually see Shiba Inu right here is up 48% on the day. So let's go to Floken. Let's see, Flokenomics. And I'll scroll down, copy the Binance Smart Chain, and then you just paste this address into the top. Now, sometimes it actually will say this, and it'll say no assets found. You can just say add custom token. Most of the time, you'll find it in there, but if it doesn't, you just change the network. Most of them are on here are Smart Chain, but you just got to double check that. You can find it on BSC Scan, or just on the, actually right on here, you can see where it says Binance Smart Chain. So you make sure you change this network to Binance Smart Chain, and then paste the contact address in, and everything else should be automatically highlighted. Click done, and you refresh the page, and it would show you exactly how much Floken you have and how much it is worth. You can go back to your wallet, and then click, you just refresh it, and boom, it would pop up right in your wallet, and you'll be able to see your PooCoin that you own. You now proudly own a PooCoin. You can now sit back, relax. Now, if you see another coin that is looks like it's going to be pumped, I actually want to talk about one on here. I haven't seen any influencer talk about this coin. No influencer is talking about this coin, okay? So if you scroll down on the top gainers, you'll scroll down, you'll see Gravity Token, GRV. It's $1,900. It's up 65% today, okay? If we go back to 3 months, look at this. $1 would have bought you like thousands of these coins, like probably tens of thousands of coins. And right now it's worth almost $2,000. You'd be saying to yourself, if I put $1 in, I'd have made like $100,000 or more. You probably would be a millionaire. This is something you want to watch out for, okay? These are what, like, I see a new scam actually coming up. This is kind of scaring me because I actually fell for one of these, and this can catch a lot of people. So look at this. You see this right here. It's at 0.00000. It's super cheap, and it just kind of consistently went up. It never had a down spike. Now, if you actually go and read about this, it says it has an elastic supply mechanism, and it says it's calculated to increase the price every 8 hours. How is that sustainable? First of all, how is that sustainable? Second of all, how is that even possible? What kind of liquidity is in this coin to actually like supply that amount of gains, right? So what is going on here, and why you probably aren't hearing anybody talk about this, is because when you buy a coin that's like this, it has consistent upwards gains. It doesn't go down at all, right? They basically, when you buy it, they take the coins out of your wallet to pump the price of the coin. So when you're new to investing in crypto and you see a coin like this, right? You see it just going straight up. Insane gains, like insane, stupid gains, right? You're like, oh, I should buy this because it's going to keep going up. It hasn't stopped going up ever since I looked at it. It's up 66% today. It's probably going to be up another 70% tomorrow. I guarantee it, right? Because this is all it does. But I actually bought one called Only Up. This one here, Only Up, right? This one's up 100% today. But they take coins from your wallet. So I put in about $4. Right now, it's technically worth about $1,000, but I can only take out $1 because they take coins from your wallet to pump up the price. If I go back to 1 year, look at this. It has dips, but not very long. They consistently go up over and over and over again, which is, you would see this coin and say, oh, this looks like a great investment, right? No, because they're going to take money from you to pump up the price, to get more people in there, to take money from them to pump up the price, and it's just it's a snowball of just people putting in their money, losing it, but the price of the coin goes up. Everyone's confused. Look at the volume. It's down 63% today. Why would you want to buy a coin that's up 100% today, but the volume is down 63%? That it looks like it's a coin waiting to crash, but it's actually just going to take money from you. So when you read coins about this, like Only Up, where it says it has a supply or a elastic supply mechanism where it's designed to go up, whenever it says first rebase token, do not buy these, okay? You're going to lose your money. It's going to be taken from you. Now, if you do hold up, you actually do receive Ethereum, which I think is good, but it does not pay you enough Ethereum to make back your losses from this. If you put in $1 and your whole dollar doesn't get taken from you, and you can get enough passive Ethereum from this to make back your dollar, then it's worth it, okay? But that's a very, very rare scenario that something like that would happen. So I just want to bring that up because I haven't seen anybody talking about coins like this, like going up this much, like from being basically a PooCoin to being worth almost $2,000, which is crazy. Like, I don't know. I did some research on it. Some guy said he owned 86 million of these coins, and maybe a week ago he owned maybe about 10. They took that much from him, so and he actually lost like a ton of money on this coin, even though it's up millions of percent. So that's a brief example on exactly how to buy and sell PooCoins and what to look out for in the PooCoin market. Now, if you do know what you're doing and you did, for example, know about Flokinomics yesterday, you would have made a 700% gain today. But on the flip side, if you bought Stake Token yesterday, you'd be down about 100% today. You would have basically lost your whole investment. So I would say to go in with nothing more than $10, just because something like this is very risky. It is educated gambling. You can make a lot of money overnight, but you can also lose a lot of money overnight. But what I kind of do is I would just look for ones that look like they have a lot of hype built up around them. I usually like looking at the recently added coins and seeing kind of what is going on. I'm not promoting that you should buy any of these coins, but this is just what I am doing. I have made money off trading PooCoins, but that doesn't mean that you would make money off PooCoins too. You have to be careful with something like this. Like, traditional crypto investing is very risky to begin with. This is a whole nother layer of risk that you would have to be prepared for. But if you're willing to try and make some big gains overnight, this is how you would do it. So guys, if you like any content I post on this page, please like, comment, subscribe down below. It would mean so much to me. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Happy investing.